Okay, so before we do the holes, we have to figure out how these pieces are going to hang with gravity. And you don't just simply spread it out because then you're making a bead curtain. So what you need to do is you need to figure out in a straight line, like using a ruler, how you're going to make these marks. Now, over here we have them overlapping because when we hang them, they are going to overlap and they're going to hit like this as a wind chime. So to make the hole, we need to put them in here like so, and then we have to think like this. So automatically we can get the ruler and we can say, okay, we're going to do a little dot here and a dot here for the hole, and then another dot for the banana right underneath here, right? So we come down here with a banana, but then this banana we can have two holes right in here, so we can hang this one and maybe another hole here and here and like maybe one right around here. So what will happen is that when we hang, you can see there would be a string right there where these are going to hang, and then there will be another string right around here where they hang. And so this is just to give you an idea how you're going to map this out so that it dangles and it makes chiming noises. You're not supposed to lay this out like this and then make your holes. If you do that, then you're just making a beaded curtain, and none of these are ever going to touch each other like a wind chime.